Hello and welcome to the channel. The last plant which normally flowers for me in the year is Aconitum. This is Aconitum carmichaelii Arendsii. It is a very toxic plant, so never ever ingest it. And this normally starts to flower at the end of October, early November. And it doesn't look... The lower part of the plant is already defoliated. And these are the flowers. And there will be more flowers if there is no frost. So I'm quite hopeful that I'm going to enjoy this plant for a couple of weeks. There are different Aconitum species which flower at different times. This is a very late one and I really enjoy it. It has some taproots and it can withstand drought, because this part of the garden was not watered this year and this was an extremely dry summer. It needs shade under Hungarian conditions. In the Netherlands I know it can withstand full sun, but they are much northern than we are. It's mostly propagated by new taproots in late autumn when it is totally dormant, or early spring. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.